So today's video is supposed to be about how to earn with Amazon KDP, but when I found out that there's this website paying people $50 to $400 per hour to simply read Amazon KDP books, I needed to share this opportunity with you guys. If you've always had this interest to earn with Amazon KDP, however you don't want to write and create low content book but you need a steady pay, this opportunity might just be for you. Yes, so hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, thank you for stopping by. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys this website that's paying people $50 to $400 per hour just to read Amazon KDP books. I'll show you the name of the website, I will show you how to sign up, how to get paid, and all the details that you need to get started. But before we move forward, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly subscribe and help us grow. Like, comment and share. And if you would like me to keep making content like this, turn on your notification bells so that whenever I upload a video next time, you'll be notified as I upload video every week. So but for now, let's get down to my system and I will show you how this is done. The name of the website is called SCX, and they work with different companies like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes to turn ebooks to audiobooks, which is very popular presently on Amazon KDP. Where you can start earning money is becoming a voice actor, or basically a narrator, and all you have to do is find a book that is going to fit your tone or your voice, record a sample and send it to the author. But if you don't have the skill, they have what is called the SCX University, where they will teach you how to become a voice actor, how to be a good narrator for free. Check out this website, the link is on the description. So you can see here, these are the titles that are accepting audition. We have about 1,965 here. So next you have to create and send a rough draft and also a fully version as well, to make sure it is the exact same tone. You can do this as a pro or a beginner, but like I mentioned earlier, they will train you through the SCX University, and you also have the opportunity to earn money through some of their affiliate links. So let me show you how you find the book. You can also narrow it down by choosing different gender that you are interested in working on. So here I'll just pick female and apply. So here are just examples of titles, as you can see, and it has about 116 pages. So there are lots of opportunities here if you're interested in earning money through this platform. So for now, let's go through one of the books together. I'm going to pick an author that is looking for a female narrator, and I'm also going to change the age to a young. I'm going to change the age to a young adult since my voice sounds young. So here we are, I've changed it to young adult, and these are the results so far. So if we choose the book here as an example, you will see that the estimated amount of time the author believes it's going to take you to read this book, it's about 6.5 hours. But the thing is, you don't have to do this all at once. You can take breaks in between and continue. Although you may still search for books that are 3 hours or less, but then now the lesser the hour, the lesser the pay. This is how you can, if you need a project that's a shorter one, this is how you can come here. You can search for projects under 3 hours and apply. If I open any of this, you'll see that the estimated length is 2.5 hours.
So if we choose the book here as an example, so you also want to scroll down and make sure that you match the accent they are looking for, and in most cases the accent is not specified, just like this one here, but other titles may want Canadian or American accent, and you still have to do audition even at that. But then you have a choice to pick any book of your choice to work with. So these are going to be projects that are 10 or more hours, and this book takes longer hours to be completed from start to finish, just like this one right here. This one takes about 10 hours from starting to finish. So as you can see here, this author is going to pay you from $100 to $200 per finished hour. So here you have the potentials of earning from $1,000 to $2,000 with just this one book, and it will only take you about 10 hours to narrate it. So there are different payment structure, which is the royalty, share plus, or pay per finished hour. And you can see right here, it's always shown which payment structure the author is going to pay you with. It's either with the royalty, share plus, or a finished hours. So here, what the royalty share plus means is that you will get a royalty of every sales that they make of the audiobooks. So the reason for this is because they are using your voice. So depending on how well the book sells, this could be a very good pay structure. I will recommend that before you go for this payment structure, make sure that the book is listed and already been selling well before you go for this payment structure. So in conclusion, some steps you need to take to get paid. So the first step is, step 1 is to create your profile. Step 2 is to upload samples. Step 3 is to choose which payment structure you would like to get paid, and that is if you want to get paid through pay finish per hour, or you want to get paid through the royalty share plus. Step 4 is your audition. Step 5 is to accept the offer. That means that you're ready to work on the project. And step 6 is to start working on a project. Step 7 is to work with other studio professionals. Well, what this means is actually a business opportunity here, which means that you could outsource some of these jobs to other freelancers. Can outsource most of these jobs to other freelancers, and when you get paid, you can split the profit. Step 8 is to finish recording and send your project. Step 9, get paid, and you're done.